Okay, I'm kind of going slow through this canal. There's no current at all. Matter of fact, it almost feels like I'm having to fight a little bit of a current, but it's just no current. I don't know exactly how fast I'm going, but it's like walking speed. A mile every 20 minutes, if that. So I've gone about 2 miles. It's going to take me another hour at this rate. Because I'm pretty sure it's like 6 miles. It might be 8. I'm not sure. It's hard to tell. But these bridges are approximately where the chain of rocks rapids are on the river. So I've made it that far. Nothing to it but to do it. Got no choice now. Had no choice to begin with. What am I talking about? See how fast I'm going? I'm not fast.